Three news stories for you. Firstly, several viewers have contacted me. They say, Sajid, Eritrean forces have attacked Tigray. They are in Adwa town. You are not covering this development. Is there any truth in these rumors that Eritrean forces are in Tigray, close to Adwa and on Rama Adikola border of Eritrea Tigray? I have some updates for you. Secondly, Getachew a few hours ago claimed that Tigray Defense Force was advancing towards two key locations. He mentioned two towns in his talk with AFP. We'll have a detailed look at Getachew's statement. And lastly, viewers, yesterday I covered the rally which was taken out in Addis Ababa. It was a huge rally. Protests were held in other parts of Ethiopia too, especially in Somali region. We saw rallies, gatherings in Somali region against Tigray People Liberation Front. Mustafa Omar is definitely trying to mobilize his people against this offensive, new offensive from Tigray Defense Force and OLA on Addis Ababa. He has issued a statement about Addis Ababa as well. We'll have a look at Mustafa Omar's strategy, his announcement about Addis Ababa. Firstly, viewers, is Eritrea planning to enter Tigray? Have Eritrean forces entered Tigray from the north, from Rama, Adikola side, from Badme side? Because I have received several messages, mails, people are asking questions. Well, there was a deployment of Eritrean forces along Eritrea-Tigray border areas. We know that. I shared some satellite images with you showing several artillery pieces of Eritrean forces deployed along Eritrea-Tigray border areas. But up till now, I could not confirm the entry of Eritrean forces in Tigray from Badme, from Zalambasa, the Kuala Rama border. I could not confirm the entry of Eritrean forces. Even some Tigray supporters contacted me. They said, Sajid, there was an attack. There is an attack ongoing on Tigray from Eritrea. The Eritrean forces are in Tigray, but Tigray government is deliberately not talking about this development. It does not want to demoralize its forces, its people. But what I have learned, what I have so far confirmed is that so far there has not been launched any large-scale attack on Tigray from Eritrea. These are rumors. Interestingly, viewers, a few hours ago, we saw an article written by an Ethiopian government-backed news source. And the article called upon Eritrea to intervene. It said that Eritrea should intervene before it's too late. That just shows that Ethiopian government wants Eritrea to intervene, but so far Eritreans have not launched any large-scale attack on Tigray from the north, from Zalambasa, from Adikola, Rama, from Badme. I have no confirmation. Secondly, viewers, Getachew a few hours ago talked to AFP. In his talk, he said that TDF was moving towards two key locations. Both are very key locations. Is TDF really close to capturing two places? He mentioned firstly Atay, which is a major town in North Shua zone of Amhara region. Is TDF about to take control of this town? Second place is Mile, Ethiopia-Djibouti road. Firstly, Atay. The town is in North Shua zone of Amhara region. I confirmed in a previous video that TDF had entered North Shua from Oromia Special Zone. So there is ongoing fighting in North Shua. we heard claim that ADF had taken control of Shua Robit. Unconfirmed. We could not confirm that ADF had taken control of Shua Robit. Now we are hearing that TDF is about to take control of Atay. This town is the place where heaviest clashes took place in North Shua zone of Amhara region this year. In March, we saw heavy clashes here, and parts of this town were burnt. Almost entire town was burnt. I think it happened in March. So there were heavy clashes between Amharas and Oromos in Atay. Now, if TDF and OLA are about to enter Atay, and if they manage to enter Atay, they can have local support, no doubt about it, because there have been ethnic conflicts between Amharas and Oromos in Atay. So TDF, if it enters, TDF and OLA, if they enter Atay, they can take control of this town. Yes, they are close to this town because fighting is being reported in North Shua zone close to Atay. I can confirm that. They have not taken control of Atay so far. What about Mile? Ethiopia-Djibouti road is a Tigray defense force close to capturing this strategic place on Ethiopia-Djibouti road. Here I am unable to confirm because according to my information, front line is near Bati. TDF has been trying to advance towards this place, Mile, from Bati, from Shifra. It could not, but Getachew says that, that TDF is about to reach Mile. Maybe, of course, he'll be well informed. But what I have learned so far is that TDF is not close to Mile. It was, but it has been pushed back. So let's wait a little and see if Getachew is correct or not. We are hearing that Somali fighters have once again launched an attack on Afar from the east. It could lead to a sort of support for Tigray Defense Force in their endeavor to reach Mile. We have seen these clashes between Somali Isas and Afars in the past as well, and Afar fighters, they accuse Somali Isas of being backed by Tigray Defense Force. If Somali Isas launch an attack on Afar from the east, yes, then Afar forces will be divided. They'll have to fight on several fronts. Then we might see TDF reaching this strategic place, Mile, Ethiopia-Djibouti road. Again, no confirmation that TDF is about to capture Mile. Lastly, viewers, the Somali region also saw some protests, some rallies yesterday, though the biggest rally was in Addis Ababa. It was a huge rally. Thousands took part in the rally, but gatherings in Somali region were also impressive. Somali regional government managed to take people out against Tigray People Liberation Front. We have seen a statement from Mustafa Umar as well, where he is saying that even if TDF managed to reach Addis Ababa, Somali region will keep on fighting. Will he send his forces to Addis Ababa? Will he keep on fighting in Somali region? That's not clear. But he is not talking about Addis Ababa. He is saying that even after TDF's control of Addis Ababa, if it happened, even after that, Somali region will keep on fighting. Watch a video showing some protests which happened in Somali region of Ethiopia yesterday. Thanks for watching.